Hey everyone, welcome to another new video. Stay outside and explore. Today we are outside. We're going to cook a burger on the new Coleman grill that I unboxed the other day. So I got it all heated up. Here's the burger. And then this side I'm going to use for my onions and stuff. So we're just going to cook that up and see how it works. Okay, now we're going to put some butter on this portion of the grill. And we're going to put some onions on there. Except the onions are cooking up really fast. Yeah. I'll put those aside. All right, time to put some cheese. I'm gonna have some cheese with my burger, and then gonna do that. See how that turns out. That didn't take long. Oh yeah. I'll move this over here. All right. That should do it for the burger. Looks really, really good. Smells really good too. So that's my review on this grill. I'll do some more. Cheese slid off a little bit, but I'll get that off, no problem. Otherwise that burns right off. So yeah, today's about 30 degrees, still a little chilly out, but that doesn't stop me from grilling out. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up, and I will have a few more videos coming out in the future. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you again. Bye.